Hey everyone, I'm Michael Esposito, CEO and founder of DenTen Insurance Services. What is collision and why do you have it? Collision insurance on your vehicle is going to help protect your vehicle should you hit another car or a median in the road. Any type of accident that you have that you may be at fault at, that's where collision is going to come in. You may have a deductible and you want to check with your insurance agent on what your deductible is, but that's what collision is. It's going to protect your vehicle should you get into an accident with another vehicle or an object. To learn more about collision coverage, just visit denten.io or speak to one of our awesome agents and they'll be able to help you. Stay happy and stay healthy. I'll see you all soon. Bye.